Hello, my dear children. Sai Ram. So now let's start with the grammar session. In the last session, we had learned where to use is and are, isn't it? Now let's go to the very next topic, that is chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, lesson name is doing words. Okay, our today's topic is doing words. So when we are saying doing words, that means what? Whatever action we are doing, isn't it? So let's see the definition of doing words. The actions which the naming words perform. The actions which the naming words perform are known as doing words. Okay, so whatever action is done by the naming words. Okay, for example, you can see run. Okay, that is when run means what? When we are running, that is the action we are doing. We are running. So run, walk. Yes, we should always walk on the road. We should not run on the road. So here walk and run, they both are the action word. Okay, that is doing. What you are doing? You are walking, you are running. So that is the action whatever the naming word is performing. Okay, now the next one, jump. Okay, this is also the action word. Then comes eat. Okay, so we are doing the action of eating. I am eating. Okay, so eat is the action word. Write, we are writing. So write is the action word. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, and there are many more examples. So let us see. First we will see one short definition. Okay, where we are supposed to write only the action word. Okay, let us see now. When the doing word comes after I, we, you and they. Okay, when the doing words come after I, we, you, they and plural noun, it does not end with s or es. Okay, the action word does not end with s or es. It will remain the same, like run, whatever we have seen in the earlier slide, run, walk, there s or es will not come. Okay, the action word will remain the same. Okay, only run, walk, jump, sleep. Okay, now let us see with the example. Here you can see, I drink plenty of water every day. I drink plenty of water every day. So here with I, okay, you can see I is written over there. So whenever I, we, you, they will come, that time you are not going to add s or es to the doing word. So here children, what is the doing word? Can you tell me what is the doing word? Here drink is the doing word. Okay, it is the action. You can see what is the boy doing? He is drinking, isn't it? So that is the action performed by the boy. Okay, so here when I, we, you, they and a plural noun comes, that time we are not supposed to add s or es. Okay, now let us see the next example. Here you can see, we like to play frisbee. We like to play frisbee. So again here you can see we is there. And what is the doing word over here? Here you can see two doing word, that is like and play. Like is also action word and play is also a action word. Okay. So here in both the action words we are not supposed to add s or es. Okay. So it will remain the same. When the action word, that is the doing word, comes after the plural noun. Okay. Now the next one. When the doing word comes after a singular noun. Okay, when it comes after a singular noun. Singular noun means what? A particular noun, isn't it? Singular means what? A particular noun. That time we are supposed to add s or es. That is, the word ends with the action word or the doing word. Ends with s or es. In earlier slides you saw the doing word do not end with s or es, because there you were seeing the plural noun. Okay, it was plural noun. Here we are talking about singular noun. Okay, now let us see the sentence. Here you can see Aditi reads a book. Aditi reads a book. Here Aditi is the name, okay, name of a girl. And here what Aditi is doing? She is doing the action of reading. She is doing the action of reading. So here when we are talking about singular noun, we will add s. Okay, Aditi reads. You can see we have added over there s. Aditi reads a book. Got it, children? Now the next one. He drives the car. We are talking about a particular person. We are talking about a particular person. He drives the car. Again here you can see we have added s. We have added s because we are talking about a singular noun. Okay. Now, Harry eats Maggie. Harry eats Maggie. Again here you can see here s is added. Okay, eats, E-A-T-S, eats. Harry eats Maggie. So we have added s. Mother washes vessels. Mother washes vessels. So here you can see es is added, washes. Okay. The cat sings a song. Okay, what the cat is doing? He is doing the action of singing, isn't it? So here
Sorry,
we are talking.
I didn't understand.
We are talking about the cat. Okay, particular cat. So the cat sings a song. The girl sleeps on the bed. The girl sleeps on the bed. So again here you can see s is added, sleeps. Okay. The cat blows balloon. What action he is doing? He is doing the action of blowing. He is doing the action of blowing. Okay. So here blows is the doing word. Okay. Now let us solve this activity. Fill in the blanks with correct doing words from the bracket. We have to fill in the blanks with the correct doing word from the bracket. Okay. Now let us see the first one. Ram dash a book. Ram dash a book. Here in the bracket you can see options are given: sleep and reads. Okay. What is the option given? Sleep and reads. Here we are talking about Ram, isn't it? A singular noun. So, what will be the answer? Ram reads a book. Ram reads a book. Okay. What action is doing? He is doing the action of reading. Okay. So, that is the doing word. Okay. What he is doing? He is reading. So, reads is a action word. Okay. Now, the next one. Sam dash mango. Sam dash mango. Again here children, you can see the options: eats and jumps. Okay, eats and jumps. So here what you will write children? What Sam is doing? Eats mango or jumps mango? The right word is eats. So Sam eats mango. What action is doing? He is eating mango. So Sam eats mango. Now the next one. The singer dash a sad song. The singer dash a sad song. Again here you can see the option stood and sang. What is the option? Stood and sang. So here children, the right doing word will be sang. Sang means already he has finished his singing. Already he has finished his singing. The singer sang a sad song. He has done with the action. So here we have used sang. Okay. Now. The dog dashed the cat. The dog dashed the cat. Options: chased, cooked. Chased and cooked. Can the dog cook the cat? No. He has chased. Okay. So the right word is chased. So chasing is the action done by the dog. Isn't it? So now the next one. John dash his bike to school. John dash his bike to school. John can fly the bike? No. Rode. The right answer is rode. John rode his bike to school. Rode means already the action is done by the person. Already the action is done by the person. He has finished doing the action. So here we are using rode. Okay. Now. I like to dash books. I like to dash books. Here children you can see the word I is there. The word I is there. So when I comes you are not going to add S. When I comes you are not going to add S. So here children the answer will be read. I like to read books. I like to read books. I hope children you all have understood the concept of doing words. Okay. What is doing words children? It is nothing but the action performed. So when the word I, we, you, they comes, that time we are not adding S or ES. Okay. When we are talking about a singular noun, that time we are adding S or ES. Got it children? So this you have to keep it in mind. practice at home. Okay, thank you children, take care.